Hello, my name is Yoon Park, and I'm a project manager here at Concentrus. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a new user to your NetSuite account. First, before you start, you're going to need a few things. You need the person's name, email, and the role you'd like to give them access to. So we'll jump right in, go to List, Employee, New. I'm going to enter in test employee. And you can add in all the other fields as you feel needed. And then we're going to put in scroll down and go to access. And you need to click give access. And there are two options in how you can set up the password. You could send them an automated email by clicking send new access notification email. This will send out an automated email where they can set up their own password. Or you could click on manually assign or change password. And you'd give them a temporary password here. And then you could click require password change on next login. And just be mindful of the password criteria here. When we scroll down here to the roles, you can choose however many roles that you need to assign this person to. And just go down to the next line if you have more than one. And then hit save. And this will set up your new user.